This video will introduce you to the Pallet, a lightweight yet sturdy shipping pallet that lowers fuel use across the distribution chain. The Pallet is green technology that saves money. What is the Pallet? It's a patented hybrid wood corrugated shipping pallet secured with industrial adhesive. It weighs 13 to 19 pounds versus 40 to 68 for most wood pallets. We can customize the size and load-bearing ability, which explains the variation in weight. Sustainable technology often requires upfront investments that are difficult to recoup. Switching to the Pallet is a way for a company to go green with no infrastructure costs. Here is a chart of the existing alternatives to wood pallets. Sturdy plastic is heavy and very expensive. Lightweight plastic is flimsy and cannot hold large loads or sit in a rack. Often air cargo on lightweight plastic must be repalletized to wood at the destination. Corrugated is fragile. It can't hold large loads or sit in a rack, and it doesn't stand up to moisture, humidity, or a ram from a forklift. Metal pallets are a small niche for extremely heavy loads. Let's look at some of the benefits of using the Pallet. The Pallet's lightweight construction yields weight-based savings that are especially compelling for air cargo. The Pallet is green. Lighter weight means less fuel used by the purchaser and throughout the distribution chain. It's also reusable and recyclable. Companies worldwide face pressure to go green from customers and governments. The key is not forcing them to pay extra for the privilege. Most will refuse. Unlike other lightweight pallets, the Pallet handles and racks heavy loads. It's ISPM 15 certified, ready for export. We use heat-treated wood to assemble the Pallet, so bugs and plant diseases are not a problem. The Pallet is available with advanced technology. It's easy to embed RFID tags, and custom printing of logos, barcodes, or anything else is no problem. Because the Pallet is not a flimsy air-only pallet, there's no need to repalletize cargo for transfer to a truck or for warehouse storage. And the Pallet is safer for people in cargo. No nails, no staples, no splinters. Lighter weight means fewer back injuries from carrying pallets around a warehouse. Logistics firms can grab a competitive advantage by offering customers the Pallet. Sell customers a pallet that will save them money. At the same time, broadcast a commitment to sustainability and responsible corporate citizenship to customers and the public. Entice users with RFID tags and barcodes to protect their valuable cargo. The Pallet is a better mousetrap in the $20 billion global pallet market. Wood pallets have been around for almost a century. They are heavy, carry pests and plant diseases, and cause handling injuries. But they continue to dominate shipping because the alternatives have fatal flaws, keeping them niche players. Initially, we intend to prove the Pallet's effectiveness in air cargo. Next, we will add automation to our assembly process, lowering costs in developed countries. At that point, the Pallet will no longer be a niche air pallet. We will price it at a modest premium to wood, and it will deliver savings for most users. We anticipate many offshoot products, all of which are covered by our extensive patent protection. These include a reinforced rental pallet and a display pallet that can go straight from the truck to a retail floor and quickly convert to a pre-printed display case. There are many overseas opportunities. The Pallet's economics are particularly compelling in Southeast Asia, given the combination of low labor costs, expensive wood pallets as competition, and long-haul shipping. The key to the investment thesis is scalable growth. Pallets International will license our patented technology to existing pallet companies and receive a royalty for each pallet they assemble. We won't need a manufacturing infrastructure or do direct selling of pallets. Each distributor receives an exclusive territory. They hire the workers, buy the materials, secure the customers, assemble and deliver the pallets, and do the billing. As distributors profit, more will get involved, expanding production, distribution, and acceptance of the Pallet. Success breeds success. The final piece of our scalable growth model is automation. A more automated assembly process will reduce costs for labor and adhesive, making the Pallet competitive with wood for land and sea use in developed countries. It will also open possibilities for high-volume users and a rental pallet. We have extensive patent protection on the Pallet. It covers any enhancements or alterations to the pallet, as well as related and offshoot products. If you want the Pallet or anything like it, you must work with us. To summarize the investment story, the Pi Pallet is a better mousetrap. Its lighter weight delivers upfront shipping savings that in mass production will exceed its modest premium to wood for most users. Even at a slower assembly speed and with low oil prices, the Pi Pallet offers solid savings for air shippers. Pallets International has secured patents for the Pi Pallet and offshoot products. Companies love going green, as long as it doesn't cost them anything. The Pi Pallet requires no upfront investment and saves money while letting companies tout their green cred. The Pallets International operating model of few employees and low expenses is very high margin. We estimate it will take 6 months and up to $750,000 to develop a prototype autoassembler. $1.5 million would get the company off the ground and allow us to market the pallet and distributorships. Besides contracting out an assembler, a manual assembly line for samples, and paying a small staff, the bulk of funds raised will go towards sales and marketing. We expect trade shows will be particularly fruitful in exposing both users and distributors to the Pi Pallet. Offering exclusive territories will create a sense of urgency among distributor prospects. Firms manufacturing and shipping from developing areas such as Southeast Asia will be some of our earliest user targets. Offshoot products have extraordinary potential. As a fallback, the company can sell or lease some of its intellectual property. The rental pallet, which requires a substantial infrastructure investment to launch, is a prime candidate. That's the end of our presentation. I hope you're as excited as we are about the opportunity to invest in this new fuel-saving technology. Use the contact information here to discuss any questions or ideas you may have. Thanks for your time.